Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I have been doing better, feeling a little clumsy right now, but I tried my best to tear up this fan that was seemed to be working okay, but the car does have 200,000 miles on it, so I kind of wanted to check it out. But anyway, just wanted to show in case you haven't seen these before, but this is the inside the control module, and it's made similar, which is also the backside cap of the motor. It's a combination. I don't know why they made them this way, but it's similar to the smaller fan, which I got together fine. I'm confident on this one because one brush was stuck, but and I got it together. It worked fine. Just its back cover snapped back together. I used some high temp RTV silicone in two places, and but anyway, this one's made similar. The brushes will snap in place. These were not holding, so I had to bend these tabs down just a hair. You can see that. Had to bend that tab down just a hair there and there. And I already put it back together once. And that design I like because all you have to do is put it down on there and barely lift this thing up enough just to get a pocket screwdriver in there, and then just push on this brush wire where this braided copper wire is just enough and push it and it'll snap onto the commutator there. I polished it by hand. It wouldn't fit in the lathe, too big a diameter, because these plastic fans are pressed on, which I really don't like. I really don't. The aftermarket ones have a flange nut, and they should come apart easy so that you can do maintenance to them easier. But I tried to press this one apart, and that was a bad idea, dumb idea. So learned the hard way. But this bearing was pretty loose on there. So anyway, of course there was no grease at all on there, so I put some high temp wheel bearing grease in there. I took these little bitty screws out, these three, to try and take this brush assembly off for cleaning, but you can't. This is soldered on right here. It's soldered on right there with these little coils, and so you can't really. I didn't want to fool with it. I don't know what those little coils are for. That's interesting design. Let me know, post a comment if you know, but there's not a whole lot to these. I don't know why they decided to make them this way with these fragile capacitors and right in there by the rotating bearing assembly and all. But anyway, I don't know what these are. They look kind of like little transistors or heat sinks. I don't know. So if you know, let me know. But anyway, I'm going to throw it back together and see how it works. I've got a new one coming. I ordered off of eBay. You can get these for just like $65 plus tax. So, and naturally, right after I ordered mine, I found a deal where you can get the whole shroud and both fans for, like a whopping $10 more than I paid for this one. But anyway, the aftermarket one should be better because it has screws that hold this on. 3 screws instead of these weird crimp points. And I ground those off just enough to get it open. And then if you want to take one of these suckers apart, where's my tools? All you got to do is take, after you grind it down a little bit, you just take some slip joint pliers like this and grab onto that crimp point and the lip of the control module here, and it'll pop right up, and then just work it off with a screwdriver. So anyway, hope that's helpful to somebody, and shop around if you're having to replace this stuff. You can find better deals. Advance Auto was wanting like over $300 for stuff, and I think AutoZone was the same way. So anyway, take care, have a good one.